G'day guys, we're back doing what we love, and that's adding additions or upgrades to new and existing business. But this particular package is going to a business that's been around, probably one of the longest here, Geelong and Surf Coast, and that's XL Premium Services. So if you're after a service, pressure cleaning, soft washing, roof treatment, do hit the guys up, because extremely experienced and just adding in addition to their current equipment, we've put together this package, and I just wanted to run you through this whole system that we've done in a trailer. So we have a 5,000 psi 21 litre per minute machine, and it's actually taking water from a 300 litre cube water tank. So super grunty. So if you're going to run 30-inch surface cleaner or anything smaller, or a wand, we've got heaps of grunt. Cold water systems, so we can, when you need the punch, it will give you the results that you need to be able to tackle those larger commercial, but also resi jobs. So pushing you to another level with 5,021 litres a minute to aid in your soft washing or hard and soft cleaning. On top, we've added a roof treatment system. So application of a biocide, and we're a distributor for wet and forget. So all this information can be seen on our website under bluetongueindustries.com.au. If you're liking this video, please check out our other videos on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries, and give us a thumbs up or drop comments below. So 50 metre half-inch application hose running from a dedicated batch mixing tank down the back. So we have a Everflow pump tucked in underneath here out of the way, which is 8.3 litres a minute. So that pump is charged by or supplied power by a 120 amp hour battery, and there's a battery charger tucked in the back there that you can see as well. So quick release gun with a J-rod, and at 8.3 litres a minute for a biocide treatment, wet and forget. And our contractor's range is 10 litres, it's 10 to 1. So the concentration at a 10 litre buy will give you 110 litres of application. So we've got a fan jet, we've got two pencil jets here. This is a 500, just to give you application for distance at an 8.3 litre a minute, 60 psi pump, a 300 pencil jet, which will give you a bit of shooting distance. So this can also be accompanied to a water-fed pole and adapted back with overhead nozzles to allow you better access for applying your solutions in your roof treatment exercise. Tied in with the pressure cleaner, 100 metres of garden hose to reach that tap in a distance. So that's supplying our 300 litre water tank. That water tank feeds the pressure cleaner, but it also feeds the soft wash system, which we'll talk about as well. We've got 60 metres of pressure hose, which we always love putting spy wrap on. Good quality pressure guns, Mosmatic swivels on the end just to make life a bit easier and not fighting a pressure hose. So that's all coupled together. So we've roof treatment, pressure cleaning, water feed to the water tank, which is feeding a couple of different units. So the soft wash system installation that we've got here, powered by P40, Comet, Honda, GX200, and the brains with the mixing, Midwest. So Midwest proportioner, a XL. On our 5/8 hose, which is custom made for us here at bluetongueindustries.com.au. So it's going to allow quite a lot of flow. We'll fire this up. Our Summit hose reels are now in stock and will be going forward. So you can see the lift kit and the way it works on this particular system. So quick, easy bolt installation to get your hose reel up over the top if you're in a trailer or on the back of the ute. The P40 bolted down on a skid mount, vibration isolators. We have our soap tank tucked in the back, and this is our batch mixing tank for our biocide, or even if you wanted to do some pest control, that will allow you to have an application tank to deliver through your pump, through your 50 metres of hose over the top. The Midwest Proportioner is a fantastic unit and has been matched to the particular Honda Comet P40 arrangement. So we have our water in, our soap in, and our chem in. It's a one soap injection system on this particular setup. Tucked in over the back we have our must, which is our flush valve. So the good thing about the Honda P40 Comet configuration is that there's enough grunt to do and make your pressure cleaner obsolete on most conventional building washers. So if it's a single story or double story house wash scenario, the P40 is going to give you enough rinse at nearly 40 litres a minute, 300 psi, to one, apply your chemical, and then two, also rinse it off. So you're operating off a single hose. The manual flush valve will allow you to flick between water and bleach going into your chem valve. So that's going to allow you to use your system as a rinse, but at the same time is also going to flush your valves, your pump and your hoses out, ready for that next particular job. Graduations on the front being micro adjustment valves. We can dial up what we want from 1% to 6%, and as well as the soap. Let's fire it up. I'll give you a bit of a run through. I'll show you the pressure adjustment on the top. So if you're running the P40 at a lower RPM, like a pressure cleaner, we're going to get lower flow. So lower flow, lower pressure, less overspray. We're only spraying water today, but from a distance shot. And you can see there's a little bit of wind here. The big rinse guns are quite good, so we can go from a pencil jet back to a fan with the application of the trigger. The flow control on top. Two ways of adjusting the flow control. We can back down the RPM, or with the RPM at max, you can adjust it here. But your pressure, your Honda P40 is still running at max, so why not leave that system alone and get our adjustment for our flow or our overspray from the RPM of the pump and motor combo. So yeah, hope that's been a pretty good overview of what we do here at Blue Tongue Industries. Please give us a thumbs up. Check out all our other videos and soft washing equipment. If you'd like to know any more about any type of equipment that we do sell, or if you have seen on our videos, get in touch. Whether it's a petrol powered soft wash rig, a 12 volt or a 24 volt, we can accommodate for both. Custom builds in trailers like this, built around systems currently that you're using, whether on the back of a ute or trailer, or drop in skids. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.